Hi guys, and good morning to all of you. I hope you're having a good day. It's today, but you know what, if you stay warm you're still going to be productive. This morning I want to show you a breakfast option that I do, plus something that is very simple but at the same time very delicious. I really enjoy this particular breakfast and eat it almost all the time. Now, being that it is cold, I love it cold, so this time round I'm having it a little bit warm, but it is still a good option. I hope that you get to enjoy it. This breakfast option is apple cinnamon yogurt, but this time round let me show you what we are going to be using. You need an apple, a full apple. We need cinnamon. You can decide to use the crushed one and blend it yourself, but I use the packaged one. You need yogurt, natural yogurt, but because I did not get natural yogurt, it's over. I decided to buy myself mala, which is basically fermented milk. So this is what I'm going to use today. Because I am doing this for my weight loss, I also have my food scale that is going to be measuring my yogurt, because I can't have so much. I need a certain amount, and of course spoons, one for eating, one for measuring, and a knife. Cut your apple into cubes. So that's your apple. Pick your plate and put it back in your plate. So this is what you're going to be putting in your yogurt. Take your cinnamon. You can pick a little like that and pour on top of your yogurt. Make sure you just mix it up so that it gets the aroma and the taste of the cinnamon. This now you put in your microwave so that the cinnamon can seep into the apple. We have warmed the apple and the cinnamon. It's very warm, so give it time to cool down as I prepare the yogurt. So you put on your food scale. I want to put the portion of my yogurt. I'm using mala today, which still makes sense. With the mode, I go to ml and pour until I get to my desired amount, which is 175. That is my option, my amount for my yogurt. Now it's to add to my already cooled apple with cinnamon that was in the microwave. So I just add on to it, as you can see. Being that it was warm, what happens with it is that it sort of softens, and so the cinnamon gets into the apple, making it sweeter. I don't add any honey, I don't add sugars, I don't add anything to the natural yogurt or to the fermented milk, because the apple already has its own other fruit sugars that the apple has. So you notice that the consistency of the fermented milk is lighter than when you use natural yogurt. So that's the difference between the two. But the taste doesn't change. It's still the same. It's still sweet because you're still mixing up the apples that have sugar. So yeah, so it's okay, but the consistency, as you can see, becomes a bit lighter. But with the yogurt, it definitely is heavier. That makes my apple cinnamon yogurt, which is apple cinnamon fermented milk, or mala, which is also very simple to make, as you have seen. Like I said, with the mala, the consistency of the milk is definitely lighter than for the yogurt. The yogurt is heavier, making it even better. I like it when it's heavy. I did not get my natural yogurt, that's why I use mala, which is also an option that you can use. So you have no reason to say that you cannot do it. Just go to the local shop and get yourself some mala and do this. You can have it cold, but like you saw, I warmed the apple. This time round, I did not let it to cool off completely. Just because it is cold, I decided to have it a little bit warmer. So it is warm, it is not like chilled, but you can have it chilled when it is a hot day, okay? So let me go enjoy my breakfast, and I hope you're enjoying yours. I don't know what you're having today. You could share with me. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment if you love this particular video, and go watch more of my videos on the recipes that you can have when you are on a weight loss journey. Things that are very interesting, and you don't have to have boring food. You can have very interesting food to eat, and I have a lot of videos that show you that. If you are on the weight loss journey, I hope that you have really enjoyed this, and I hope that it's going to be something that inspires you to continue to stick it out. Now, remember to always be a legend and a hero for who? Yourself. Always yourself. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Ciao. Bye. Mwah.